All right, so here is our model so far, and it's not looking too bad. However, there are a few issues with tightening up some of these panels with one another, as well as matching them up to the midsole. But as with a lot of models, as you're building them, sometimes parts tend to get away from you a little bit. Let me select this guy, and as you can see right here, there is a bit of an issue. So I'm going to look at this in poly mode, and it's pretty messed up right up in this corner here. But all is not lost, because with Modo, nothing is really set in stone. We can always manipulate, change, and modify stuff as we go. So let's look at what we can do to fix this issue. Now, we could sit here for a while and just try to untangle all of these pieces, but sometimes it's just easier to just rebuild it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, let's hide things that we're not going to be working with. And so all we need here is the saddle and the inner shell to work with. So I'm going to select two adjacent polygons side by side there and hit the L key for loop and just delete those. I'm going to double click on this top piece here, which is all messed up, and I'm going to delete that as well. Okay, so now I'm looking at this and I see, well, this side looks pretty good. We've got a really nice geometry going here. There's plenty of breathing space between these, and I don't have any real cross-ups. So the best thing to do is, rather than just rebuild this from scratch, let's just take and duplicate this guy and mirror it to the other side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to just copy the faces here. I'm not going to worry about the side pieces here, because we can just really extrude that out again. Okay, so that's pretty good. And now I'm going to go to the duplicate, go to mirror, just click in my viewport here, and that's going to mirror that over. It's a little far out, so I'm going to just drag this in, get it as close as I can. I think I can live with that. I'll drop the tool, hit escape a couple of times. All right, so now I just need to nudge this into position. So I'm going to double click on that polygon wise in polygon mode. And it looks like I need to just rotate this a little bit. So I'm going to use the rotate translation tool, which is the E key. And I'm going to set my action center to element. Now, what that's going to do is allow me to select an element within that given selected group of polygons there, whether it's an edge, a polygon, or a vertex, to act as a center access point for that rotation. I think right about there, and I'm just going to look at it at that angle and then just bring that in close right there. Now let me move it as well, because I think we need to move this down a little bit. Just get it in the ballpark. That'd be perfect. And yeah, I think that will work. Maybe a little bit. Well, I'll keep this front end lined up. Okay, so there we are. Now, all I need to do is just kind of weld this to this, weld this piece to this piece, this whole upper piece to here, and that's an easy enough task. Let me first go to take this edge here and just bring it a little bit closer. Right about there. Okay. What I'll do is I'll go into my vertex toolbox, and there's a cool little tool here called Weld, and it allows you to take a vertex and just click on it and drag it to another vertex, and it welds it just like that. Same with this guy. I'm going to weld that right there. And it's very similar to our retopology tool. So weld that there, and this guy up there. There we are. All right. Now what we need to do is just kind of use the element move tool and just kind of maybe move some of these over a little bit. That can be moved over that way. Yeah. Oh, and while I'm in this element move tool, make sure I shrink that down so I'm only moving one element, not the whole thing. And I think I can move this over and move that over just to straighten those lines a little bit. So there we go. Let me go ahead and just bring this in a little bit too, and this guy over a little bit. So I think we're pretty good here. Now we just have to take this edge and bring this out to match up the other. And I'm going to turn off the inner shell right now. And I'm just going to click a couple of those edges there and hit the up arrow key to continue that selection around. And there we go. Now what I need to do is just extend that edge. So I'll go to the edge toolbox, click on the extend tool, or hit the Z key. And what that will do is allow us to take that edge and drag it out. Click in the viewport to activate the tool, and you'll come up with a little gizmo to let you move it. And I'm going to just click and drag this. It's close enough. And maybe set it down a little bit. Like that. You can click anywhere in the viewport to do the move. All right, so I think that's pretty good, and I'll go to the tool properties, and I'll set the segments to 3, and there we go. Now we could just go over to, click that off, go back over to our vertex tools here, and click on the Weld feature. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Click on that, click on that. On those two, and that works there. I'll click this guy and drag it over here. This guy, drag it over there, and that guy, and then we're done. Okay, so let's just go ahead and turn on the inner shell and just make some other minor adjustments here. I think what I can do is select these edges right here. And just drag those down a little bit. You might want to drag some edges here. Hit the S key to drag those edges, slide those edges, I should say. And yeah, and I'm going to, this is sticking out just a little bit, so I'm going to select those and just move them in. There we go. And the other thing I'm looking at here is this top piece, how it sticks up a little higher than I want it to. So I'm just going to use my element move tool. I'm going to increase the brush size here, grab this corner. Oops, I think I have something already selected. You'll notice that if you select a tool and you click on an element to move it, something and nothing happens, chances are you already have something selected. It might not be apparent right off the bat, but you best thing to do is just hit escape a few times and re-invoke the tool. Click on that, and yeah, now we can move it. And you might want to walk around it a little bit just to make sure things are cool. Yeah, I'll just bring that guy down just a little bit. We're just nudging things here and there, nothing too big. All right, so if I convert this to a Captain Clark, we can see that's a much, much better element. Now, it looks like I have a weld issue here. And let's take a double. Let's check that again. Let me hide this guy and see what's going on. And might have multiple edges, so let's do a quick mesh cleanup. Yep, that was it. Mesh cleanup works wonders many times. Now I noticed that this is a little oval shaped, and let's go in with our deform tool here, the radial tool. So let me click these edges here. Radial, click, there we go. And now all I need to do here is double click each of these edges here, and I'm going to extend those out as well. Go to edge, extend, bring those out, and go to my tool properties and set that segments to 3. And there we are. And so there we are. So like I say, everything in Modo is fixable. And that's the fix.